Want to master the world's most popular language? Python is your key to AI, data, and more. Let's write our first line of code together right now. Notice how it reads just like English. Python is that simple. Python uses simple spacing to stay clean, keeping your code perfectly organized. But Python's real power comes from its libraries, giving you superpowers for any project. But Python uses simple spacing to stay clean, keeping your code perfectly organized. Easy to read. Now you have the fundamentals. The only limit is your imagination, so jump in and start coding today.